Want to know how to delete your Trello account? You would want to delete your Trello account if you are no longer using Trello or have switched to another tool for project management. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to delete your Trello account. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Trello app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Here tap on the settings option at the second last. Now scroll down until you see the delete account option. Likewise, tap on the delete account option and a menu will appear. Tap onto the go to the web option and you will be redirected to the official website of Trello. Furthermore, you will need to select your time zone. After selecting the time zone, tap onto the delete account option at the bottom left corner of your screen. A confirmation message will appear. Tap onto the delete account option. Finally, your account will be deleted after 14 days. So this is how you can delete your account on Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.